Assalamu alaikum students, welcome again. Welcome to the fourth session of our week 12 video, our lecture. Now we were on types and methods of interview. Basically काफी डिटेल में ये हमारा सेशन है types and methods के point of view से. There are number of types of job interviews, like common types of or general types of जो हमारे ये वाली आपकी types आ जाती हैं, like one on one, group or panel interview, and second interview, stress interview, telephonic and group interview when you have to give the, you can say, interview in the form of group. So just you want to find out how you have to be being a, you can say how being a group or in the group you have to be evaluated how you will be behaved and all that. So that will be evaluated. Now next slide is about टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरव्यूज अगेन इन्हीं टाइप्स को हम काफ़ी डिटेल में थोड़ा सा हम डिस्कस करेंगे, बड़ा क्विकली सा हम इन सबको रिव्यू कर लेते हैं अगेन, बिकॉज काफ़ी डिटेल में हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है. One thing is that is very important, that is about directed interview. Now what is directed interview? Again, up to some extent, it's like a formal interview. Impersonal seeks to reveal facts. Interviewer takes notes using an outline and checklist. Compare you to the others. Again, it's a direct interview or structured interview. You will be compared with the others, and a person, your impersonal, it's about yeah, specifically person to person, जिसको हम कहते हैं face to face or one on one discussion. So that is about direct interview. Another one is undirected or informal or unstructured interview. Unstructured or open discussion of your qualification and qualities and qualifications. And you can say, tell me about yourself, and whatever they want to ask, being a interviewer, they can ask from you. So that can be the undirected or that can be the unstructured interview, जिसको हम in detail पीछे discuss कर चुके हैं. Being a basic, you can say, category of the interview or basic group of the interview. स्ट्रक्चर्ड और अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो ये आपके फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से दोनों इंटरव्यू टाइप्स आती हैं. Next, again, this one is linked with the types of interview. Still, the group interview, several applicants at one time. This one is about number of individual at the same time they have to give the interview. Provide a sense of your leadership potential and style. Just our interviewer or employer, he wants to find out how you have to behave being a leader, or the sense of leadership they just want to find out, the management skills, and how do you interact with the peers, with same level individuals, how you will behave, same level peer evaluation जैसे होती है, how you will behave. Keep an eye onto the interviewer, how you will, you can say, interact with the interviewer at the same time, and how you will interact with the peers also at the same time, how you will answer the questions of all of the individuals and all that, how you will deal with that session. So that is about group interview. Next one is about the panel or board interview. When your next, you can say, interviewers, that is in the form of group. This one is about when you are giving the, you can say, interview in the form of group. This one is when your next person, that means your employers, that is, those are in the form of group. So that can be the panel or board interview. Several interviewers are present. Positions are usually with government agencies or large organization or sensitive nature of job. जैसे मैंने ISSB और एटॉमिक और इस तरह की आपकी जो NDC सेंसिटिव नेचर ऑफ जॉब है, वहाँ पे पैनल की फॉर्म में आपके इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं, जिसमें सेक्रेटरीज भी होता है. यू जस्ट वांट टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट्स द साइकी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल, पॉजिटिविटी नेगेटिविटी फाइंड आउट करने की इंडिविजुअल की, व्हाट्स द वीकनेसेस एंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल. Maintain eye contact when answering the question. It's very important. You have to be able to maintain the eye contact with the individual, through which a person and a psychiatrist can find out the answer of the number of things. So questionnaires, each group member back to the questionnaire again. So you have to answer every question and in the form of group, you have to answer each and everything. In the form of, you can say, panel, you have to answer everyone. So this is very important. So this one is about panel interview. Next one is about further, again, very important types of interview. Behavioral interview, when we are talking about major categorization, are the common interview types. So behavioral interview, interested in past behavior of the individual. Describe a time that required problem solving skills, adaptability, leadership, conflict resolution, and all that. The number of jobs like HR management के point of view से administrative nature of job होती हैं, या legal point of view से जो आपकी, या research oriented जो jobs होती हैं उनमें conflict resolution, leadership, adaptability, and all that. Just they want to find out कि आपकी कितने skills हैं, how did you deal with this. This is very important. Be prepared to have stories to demonstrate. So be ready for all these things. Next one is about the audition, a simulation or brief exercise to evaluate your skills. Inquire specifically about the instructions. Take ownership of your work. So again, that is about audition. It's about the simulation, just like जैसे आप being a flight pilot, you have to go somewhere, or regarding anything else, like आपके गेम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कोई सिमुलेटेड इन्वायरमेंट में दे जस्ट वांट टू फाइंड आउट कि आपकी स्किल्स क्या हैं, एबिलिटीज क्या हैं, तो दैट कैन बी अबाउट ऑडिशन. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस सेशन स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू.